Hi, my name is Victor Dewolf, and I'm the Chief Executive Officer at Recycleye. Now allow me to start by giving you a brief refresher on why it is we exist. Our first product is an ultra-low-cost device that is able to create waste item passport logs at a material, object, and brand level. It's currently being used for two things. The first, optimize the operations of material recovery facilities by leveraging live performance knowledge to carry out dynamic adaptations. And the second, to enable the true commoditization of waste by bringing total transparency when trading it. Our second product leverages our vision system to augment existing sorting systems, such as optical sorters, or merge it with robotics. Now, back in April, when Recycleye joined this program, our team of two had been bootstrapping for a few months. And over the next 3 minutes, I will walk you through all of our major updates on team size, financing, live deployments, and the phenomenal partnerships we've either closed or further deepened. Now, this was our team in April, and this is our team today. Now, because our team is by far our biggest asset, we created an extremely thorough screening process where every single candidate went through an initial interview, a technical assessment, a take-home away exercise, followed by a final interview and some reference checks following that. Now, for every role, we interviewed on average 50 or so candidates. And that 2% success rate means that we only have 10x engineers. I really don't think we could have hired anyone better. Each one of our new hires has done amazing stuff prior to joining Recycleye, be it developing an entire bionic system by themselves or building a massive scale cloud infrastructure. Each brings a wealth of knowledge and a brutal amount of curiosity to keep pushing themselves and our firm. But our team alone is not enough. The partnerships we have made have acted as a true lever to develop faster, better, and at a larger scale. And these include a continuation of our partnership with Microsoft, as well as the research programs we have with TU Delft and Imperial College. And we've also worked with two hardware companies to merge our software expertise with their hardware expertise, as well as an amazing partnership with Eolos, which is supporting us in our growth on the European market. We've also kept on receiving amazing support from our fantastic advisory boards, which really is almost integrated within our team. And again, each one of them brings tailored and very valuable expertise to the team. Now, because having the best technology will make us win in this market, we've not stopped pumping the majority of our resources in continuous development on the vision system, which really lies at the core of our tech stack. And over the past few months, we've made substantial improvements in both of our accuracies, dealing under various different environments. And here are some examples. We're also honored to have been invited by CognitionX to give not only one, but two talks at their conferences, as well as having featured in several waste and non-waste journals and podcasts. Now, to make sure we also maintained the privilege of doing the work we do, we obviously had to make sure we also kept our piggy bank full and seem to have been pretty successful at doing so. We closed a major fundraising led by two European venture capital firms alongside two very reputable strategic investors, which will put us in a very strong position when we decide to go for our Series A. We've also secured a substantial amount of grant financing, both from the UK government, as well as several grants from the European Union. Now, what next? Our Tier 1 pilots are currently happening. They consist of multiple deployments of our system under several different scenarios on both the French and UK markets, with some, if not the largest players in the industry. Now, we're continuously integrating and iterating the core of our software alongside the peripheral hardware that goes with it. But these pilots and all of their learnings will be completed in November. So we'll start to select clients for tier 2 rollouts in December. So if you're interested, please do absolutely reach out via the contact details on our next and final slide. And I also forgot to mention, we also have a new logo since we joined the program. Thank you very much.